Hello students, welcome back to MAGESH classes. In this presentation we are going to discuss about Volume 2, Unit 12 Carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid, Lecture 1. So this is given in the page number 146 and 147 in the second volume. The topic is Nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones, common name and IUPAC name. Let us move into the video topic. Carbonyl compounds having the formula, the carbonyl group is planked with one hydrogen atom, one alkyl group, or the carbonyl group is planked with two alkyl groups. These type of compounds are called aldehydes and ketones. So this is aldehyde and this is ketone. What are the examples? The carbonyl group is planked with both hydrogen atoms. So this is aldehyde. Carbonyl group planked with one hydrogen and one alkyl group, that is methyl. It is aldehyde. Carbonyl group planked with CH3, CH3. It is ketone. Carbonyl group planked with two different alkyl groups, that is ethyl and methyl. It is the ketone. So these are about the carbonyl compounds. Now the nomenclature of the aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde nomenclature, the common name system or trivial name system. In the common name system, the aldehyde on oxidation, it gives corresponding acid. Acid has the common name. The first acid is formic acid. So the common name of acid is obtained from the source from which they are derived. So formic acid is derived from formica. It is nothing red ant. And the second carbon, the acetic acid and propionic acid, butyric acid, so on. So this is the common name of acids. The common name of aldehyde is obtained by the oxidized product is formic acid. For example, HCHO. It is a well-known aldehyde. You know that it is formaldehyde, common name. How it comes? The corresponding acid, the suffix IC is removed and aldehyde is added. Okay, and so it is formaldehyde. The second member is CH3CHO. What's the common name? The oxidized product is CH3COH. Name of the compound is acetic acid, and so the aldehyde is acetaldehyde. The next one, you can name it CH3CH2CHO. The oxidized product is CH3CH2COOH. It is propanoic acid. The common name of this acid is propionic acid, and so the aldehyde is propionaldehyde. So these are about the common name of the aldehydes. So common name of aldehyde is obtained by replacing IC suffix from the corresponding oxidizing acid and add the suffix aldehyde. You get common name. Okay. Then IUPAC name. In the IUPAC nomenclature, it is given as alkane. The suffix E is removed and AL suffix is added. And so it is alkanol. AL. If it is OL, it is alcohol. Let us see the example. The first member aldehyde is, you know very well, it is common name formaldehyde. The long chain consists of one carbon, and so it is methane and E is removed, AL, methanol. Next member CH3CHO. The common name is acetaldehyde. IUPAC name, it contains two carbon atoms, so ethane. The third member CH3CH2CHO. it is common name propionaldehyde. IUPAC name propanol. Okay. This is acrolein. Acrolein CH2 double bond CH single bond. So it contains 3 carbon. The aldehyde is a functional group given number 1, 2, 3. So the long chain consists of prop, and the double bond is present in the ene, and the next one is Al. Aldehyde is Al. So propional or 2-propanol. So whatever may be. It is acrolein. Then see our crotonaldehyde, how it is named. Crotonaldehyde consists of long chain 1, 2, 3, 4. So bute, the double bond is 2-ene and the suffix Al. So it is bute 2-ene Al. Clear? It is glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde is then your number. The number is first carbon, it is the second carbon, it is the third carbon. And the long chain consists of 3 carbons, so it is propane. All are single bond. And the substitution groups are the second place 1 hydroxyl groups and third place 1 hydroxyl group. So it is 2,3 dihydroxy propanol. So your name is 2,3 dihydroxy propanol. It is 2,3 dihydroxy propanol. Next one, it is benzaldehyde because it is oxidized to give benzoic acid. So benzaldehyde. So in benzaldehyde, the long chain consists of how many carbon atoms? Is it 7 or only 1 carbon atom? The side chain carbon atom is considered as a long chain. So it has only 1 carbon atom. So 1 carbon atom is present as it is methanol. Clear? And what is this group? It is phenyl group. So phenyl is substituted. So the name of the compound is phenyl methanol. Clear? Okay. So these are about the aldehydes. Then ketones. In case of ketone, the common name is obtained by dialkyl ketone. The IUPAC name is obtained by alkane plus one. The suffix is one. So in case of alcohol, it is Al. Here it is one. That's all. See the first compound, it is acetone. The first member CH3, C double bond O, CH3. 2 alkyl groups are same. It is dialkyl ketone. Why it is called acetone? By oxidation, you know very well, it gives acetic acid. And so it is acetone common name. And systematically it is dialkyl ketone. So it is dimethyl ketone. The common name is dimethyl ketone or acetone. What's the IUPAC name? The long chain consists of 3 carbon atom, and so it is prop. All are single bond, and the suffix is one. So it is propanone. Clear? Next one, mesitol oxide. That is CH3 twice C. Here one double bond CHCO3. The structure you can write CH3C, CH3. It is double bond CH, double bond O, CH3. You have to give the number to long chain. It is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is third carbon, fourth one, fifth one. So the long chain consists of 5 carbon atom. So it is pent. Okay. And the keto group is present in the second carbon, and your double bond is present between third and the fourth one, and one is the substituted group. So you have to mention all the things. The substitution group is present in the fourth carbon, and so it is given as prefix. So 4-methyl. Clear? And pent, that third carbon consists of double bond, so it is pent 3-ene. Okay. And your second carbon consists of ketone, it is 2. So the IUPAC name is 4-methyl pent 3-ene 2-one. 4-methyl pent 3-ene 2-one. Next one, the ketone is C6 H5 C double bond O CH3. So common name is dialkyl ketone. So one side it is methyl group, and the other side it is phenyl group, you know well. So alphabetically methyl first. So methyl, phenyl, and IUPAC name. So IUPAC name is, they are known as phenone. So acetyl group is present, so it is acetophenone. So it is accepted IUPAC name. However, it is considered as a alkanone, so it is ethanol. Why it is ethanol? The long chain consists of 2 carbon. The phenyl group is considered as a substitution group. The phenyl is present in the first carbon atom, so it is 1 phenyl ethanol. But acetophenone also a preferred IUPAC name, so it is also a accepted. You can write it is acetophenone. Okay. See the next one. Both groups are phenyl group. You can write it is diphenyl. It is diphenyl ketone. 2 phenyl groups are present, and it is also known as phenone. So benzoyl group is present, so it is benzophenone. Okay. But in IUPAC nomenclature, this carbonyl compound ketone consists of only 1 carbon atom, so it is methanol. Okay, and the 2 phenyl groups are substituted, so it is diphenyl methanol. So it is other IUPAC. The next one. So here you have the aldehyde group and also a keto group. In this case, the aldehyde is preferred. So the compound is aldehyde, not a ketone. Now the suffix is Al, not Ome. Here the number is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So long chain consists of 5 carbon atoms, so it is pentanol. And the third carbon consists of C double bond O. When it is substituted, it is said to be oxo. So it is 3-oxopentanol. 3-oxopentanol. Next one, the aromatic compound consists of 2 functional groups. One is aldehyde, another one is acid. Now the acid group is considered as a preferred one. So it is benzoic acid. Here the formyl group is attached in the second carbon, and so it is called 2-formyl benzoic acid or phenylmethanoic acid. You can write. The next one, this compound is a cyclobenta compound, and here the keto group is present and one CH3 is present. So it is cyclo, and so it is cyclo prefix is added, and it is 5 carbon. It is considered pent. It is saturated or not unsaturated? It is unsaturated one. This is the first carbon functional group, and it is third carbon, the second carbon, third carbon, fourth one, fifth one. So the double bond is present in the second carbon and in the fourth carbon, between 4th and 5 and 2 and 3. So cyclopentene. Here the 2 enes are there. So it is cyclopent 2,4 diene. So cyclopentene. And the one is present in the first carbon. So it is 1 one. Cyclopent 2,4 diene 1 1. And the third carbon, the methyl group is substituted, and so it is 3-methyl cyclopent 2,4 diene. Why it is cyclopent? 5 carbon is present and in the cyclic system, and so it is cyclopent. Why it is diene? 2 double bond are present, it is diene. The position of the double bonds are 2 and 4, and so it is 2,4 diene. And why it is 1 1? The keto group is present in the first carbon atom, and so it is 2 1. And the 3-methyl is the methyl group is substituted in the 3-methyl. Okay. Okay, students, these are about the nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. Thank you for watching.